Let's get serious. Let's do this intro. They can take time at any. They can take time. They can take light at any time, and we don't want to be caught without an intro. So let's dive right in to the intro of this video. Come on. Excited about this hair. This hair, you know, this hair is giving me life. It's giving me life. Like, this hair is amazing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tifa. If you don't know who I am, I'm a makeup artist in Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so this video is about this gorgeous hair. This gorgeous hair is from Natural Girl Wigs. So they sent me this hair and I have this. Oh my god, I love this hair so much. I cannot even begin to talk about this hair. This is their 4C Afro Kinky hair. So if you clicked on this video, obviously it's because you saw this gorgeous looking, lush, soft, beautiful hair, and you were like, you know what, let me just check out how this girl achieved this style, how this girl got to this place with this hair. So I'm just going to be taking you guys through the process of how I achieved this end look. I'm already very excited about this. Wow. Oh my god. This is amazing. Wow. It feels, oh my god, it feels like my hair. Like, guys, so this is their 4C Afro Kinky wig. This thing is like my hair, my hair. It even feels softer than my hair. It is so beautiful. Like, guys, it came with 2 clips at the front to hold the wig into your hair, and then a wig clamp, elastic band clamp at the back to make the wig more secure. I don't know, I'm just already in love with this. So the next thing I did after I unboxed it was I co-washed and conditioned it. And in co-washing and conditioning it, I use my Cantu shampoo and my Cantu conditioner. To show you that this hair is like really beautiful and really wonderful, it is able to be combed. Like in the video of me co-washing, that it was beautiful enough to be combed. Like this hair, combing it was not so hard. It didn't have so much shedding. It didn't give me so much problem. It was basically like I was washing my own hair. It even shed like way little. Like it didn't shed as much as my own natural hair would shed when I wash it. Like, and that's just awesome. After I washed it, the next thing I did was to go in and twist and braid it out, because I wanted it to not shrink when it dry. You know how when you wash your natural hair, you braid it out. If you're going to like sleep overnight and like tomorrow is the day you're going to go out, you don't want the hair to shrink. That's what I went and I did. I just followed the process that I would just usually follow with my natural hair. So I first added castor oil to it, then I added leave-in conditioner from also Cantu to it. Rest of the video is very self-explanatory. I'm just going to like let you guys watch the rest of the video, what I did to achieve this look and to get it looking like this. And when we're done, we'll circle back here, meet back here, right here, right here. Guys, obviously you guys can see, obviously my own fussy hair is more virgin than this, but still it's like almost my hair. You just see that I just have to twist in my hair till I just sort of blend it in, and it looks so beautiful. It doesn't really look like there's a demarcation between my hair and it. Like, it's just really awesome. Like, I really love this right now. Like, I'm really in love with this. Yes, I'm really in love with this. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you guys. And yes guys, I have a discount code TIFAIR5. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I have a discount code to get 5% off this hair. Yeah, 5% off this hair anytime you want to purchase it. So don't forget to use that discount code, guys. Let me know how you guys feel about this hair. Do you like this hair? Do you like this review? Should I make more videos like this? If you haven't already joined the family, my god, why are you slacking? You should join the family. You should become part of this family. Yeah, just click on the subscribe button down below, yeah, and the bell like thing beside it to get notifications anytime I post a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. I'm very active on social media, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.